Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to upload high quality stories to Instagram. So you're maybe recording those videos, you have a great camera, but somehow when you upload them, the quality is not that good. I'm gonna walk you through a few things that you can check and make sure that from now on you'll upload your videos in the highest quality. So we're gonna open our Instagram application. Now we wanna go to our profile, hit those three lines in the top right, go to settings, go to your account. Now we have data usage, so we're gonna click there. What you wanna make sure, that upload at highest quality is toggled on like me. Now the second thing that might cause the problem is your settings at your iPhone. So we're gonna go to our settings. Now we're gonna search for camera. Down here at the bottom, yeah, camera. So now you have your camera settings. Now here you have a tab that says record video, so you want to click there. And now you can choose the quality of your videos. Mine is now to a 1080, I'm fine with that. But if I ever wanted to switch to higher quality, I can always type here at a 4K, maybe at 4K at 60 frames per second, depends on your needs. So that will be all for this tutorial guys, thank you for watching and goodbye.